Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, yeah, you just seen it. I bought the Kudu grill. I've been wanting this grill for a while, and I finally pulled the trigger thanks to you guys. Got some YouTube money out of this, and was able to pull the trigger on it finally, and that comes straight from you guys watching my videos. So thank you very much. Guys, I'm doing my very first cook. I've had this thing for over a week, and I have not been able to cook on it because the wind's been so bad around here. It's just fall. It's that time of the year, guys. But I'm excited. We're doing the first cook, doing some just some chicken wings. Just very simple. That's basically all I'm cooking. I might have some peppers or something to throw on there, but just want to get this first inaugural cook out of it. And come over here. Let's look at the grill just quickly. I ain't going to show you a lot of details to it right now. I'll do a better review later on. So let's take a look at it. Alright guys, as you can see, this is it's a 24-inch bow, and the biggest thing that sold me on this grill is y'all know I love it, or those of you who've been watching will know I love to cook over an open fire. It's my favorite way to cook when I can. This is a big 24-inch bow, but the biggest thing about it, you see how high it is? This is, I don't know, a good 30 inches or so off the ground, and I'm getting old and I'm fat, and I like this fire being up here at my level. Got two swing grills. Got the grate. I think it's a 18-20-inch grate. I don't remember, to be honest. But got the cooking grate, and it's also got a cast iron skillet. I think it's a 16-inch. Alright, as you can see here, once it's fired, we got a lot of burning off to do before we start cooking. But get this grill over here. I'm gonna heat this up and get this. I've wiped it down real good, but I'm gonna get some good heat on it before I put any chicken on here, just to burn off any leftover materials that I didn't get washing. This one also comes as an accessory that I bought, is a lid. You can actually smoke with this thing too, guys. You'll be seeing this tonight. I will be putting a lid on to help this thing cook and get some good smoke on this chicken. That's a short intro on this thing, guys, but I'll do a better review a little bit later. Out here, fighting a little bit of wind tonight. It's not as bad as it has been, but we'll let this fire go here and get a good bit of coals in there, and I'll see you inside when we start prepping this chicken. Just get some of this excess moisture off here. I just rinsed these off, guys. I've taken the tips off, but I've left the drums and the flats together. Just for our seasoning, this is just a knockoff brand of my local store's version of the McCormick's Montreal chicken. Little different, not quite as heavy. The flavor is pretty much the same though. It doesn't shake out very well though, so I've got to work with it. That's the only seasoning we're going to do is on here, just because I want that fire to do the magic. I'm not even going to glaze them. I will have some sauces here for dipping. These a turn. Alright guys, that fire is getting close. Once we get a good bed of embers in there, I'll have a couple sticks burning, but once we get a good bed of embers, we're going to get these on and get them cooking. My family's getting a little hungry. Alright guys, we might have to lower this or raise it. I'll play this by ear as we go, but let's get these guys on here. We're going to cover these so they can get some good smoke. We'll come back and turn these here in a bit. Come on, put our lid over them. Check back in a bit. Right, I think I do want this a little lower, guys, so here we go. I want this skin good and crisp. Add another stick over here. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I am using all pecan wood here on this fire. Okay guys, let's get these flipped. Looking good, looking good. We'll do a little bit more smoke, and then I'll lower this down and get some grilling going. I added that piece of wood, I had some flame up, so I got a little grilling going on already. Oop. Be back in a few. Alright folks, it's time to go into more of a grill mode. Yeah, we're gonna lower this grate down. I'm gonna bring some veggies out here shortly. Some peppers. Still gotta learn how to use this thing. I think that's gonna be great. No question, there's a bit of a learning curve on my part. Get these peppers, or poblanos. And I got some jalapenos. I'm gonna grill up some jalapenos. They are hot. I tasted a little bit of one. And everything seems to be going fine, but my family's getting a little anxious, so I'm gonna see if I can't speed this up a little bit. I've lowered it down directly over the fire, and you know, definitely a learning curve for me on this particular grill. So we'll see what happens. Give everything a turn here. I should have started my fire a little earlier and got a little bit better coal bed. But, hey, it is what it is. It's gonna be fine. These veggies be coming off soon. Alright guys, gonna move our peppers over here to the warming zone. Just keep them warm at this point. They're pretty much done, ready to pull off, but I just want to keep them warm. We're gonna get some temps on these wings. Alright, I'm gonna flip these wings over, get some good heat on them now. Woo! Wings are looking awesome. Flip them over, get some temps on them. I think we're about there too. See what we got going on here. Don't hit the bone. Yeah, we're about there on the. Very close. 174. That's in the flat. We're going clear there. Got a couple here that look like it needs a little bit more. That one may be a little bit more. Alright guys, I'm going to move these around. Move these over to a warmer zone. Keep some heat on them. Just a few more minutes, guys. Alright guys, let's get this thing off of here. We are done. Alright folks, I'm going to pull these, go inside, and we'll give this thing a taste test here in a few minutes after I get my family going. That's what's left after the family devoured it. Look at that. Got a little char there. Looking good, guys. Let's get a taste of that. Alright, my lighting in here is horrible all of a sudden, so we're going to go with what we got here, guys. Check that out. Good char there. I'm going to rip this apart. Go with the drum here. No sauce at all, guys. I want to taste this. I've never cooked wings over, at least I don't think I have, over a pecan wood. And this is straight wood, no charcoal at all, guys. This is all wood. There. That is so good. Alright, I'm gonna come in here. I got some Sweet Baby Ray's, the sweet golden mustard sauce. I'm gonna try that. Just do a dipping thing. Very good, very good, very good. Wow, that is so good. Guys, Yeah, new grill, first time cooking on it. Definitely a learning curve for me, but that's okay. We'll get it down. Been a while since I've cooked over an open fire too, so it's all good. Just for kicks and grins, just to show you that I can handle a little something. This is that roasted jalapeno. We're going for it, guys. I know it's hot. I've already tried it. Definitely some heat. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah. Wow, guys, thank you. That was fun. I love doing this stuff, doing new stuff too, and I brought it to you straight up. This is the first time I've done this, and the first time I've used it, and the first time you've seen me cook on it. So it's been fun. So it'll get better. We'll do some more cooks on it. Lots of good stuff coming up as we can. This is a sometime weathered, non-friendly grill, so we'll just have to deal with that. So guys, thanks so much. Guys, we'll see you next time. Hit that like button for us. Subscribe if you have not already, and we will see you on the next cook. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.